time signature is a musical notation that indicates the meter of a piece of music. It's written as a fraction, with a top number indicating the number of beats per measure, and the bottom number indicating the value of the beat that receives, like 1 beat. Conducting is an art of directing a musical performance, such as a concert, by way of visible gestures with the hands, arms, face, and head. A conducting is a way of conductor leads a choir or an ensemble instruments, and the man who leads a choir in front is what we call a conductor. In 2/4 time signature, we have 2 move of hands, just like this. A conductor uses J-shape or wave-like arc to indicate the 2 beats per measure, with downbeat 1 beat being the down motion, and the upbeat 1 beat 2 being an upward motion. 3/4 time signature, we have just 3 move of hands, just like this. A 3/4 time signature, which indicate 3 beats per measure, is typically indicated by a triangular or circular conducting pattern, which the downbeat on the first beat, the second beat, and the third beat